Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. Dynamic paint allows us to fake water physics in Blender very easily. Start with a plane and add a sphere as well. Subdivide your plane 50 times. The more that you subdivide it, the higher quality your effect will be. Add a dynamic paint physics property type canvas. For the surface type, choose waves. Also add a dynamic paint physics property to the sphere, but this time select the property type brush. Press play and touch the sphere to your surface. You should now see the surface reacting like water. To smooth this effect out even further, add a subdivision surface modifier to the plane and shade it smooth. And congratulations, you just faked fluid physics in less than a minute.